If you need to print addresses on envelopes in Microsoft Word, this quick tutorial will show you the simplest way to do it from start to finish. Whether you're sending a single letter, invitation, business mailing, or just want a clean, professional-looking envelope, Word has a built-in tool that makes the process easy. And if this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful Word tutorials. All right, let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Word and make sure you're in a document or on the main Word screen. At the top of the window, look for the Mailings tab and click it. This is where Microsoft Word keeps its envelope and label tools, along with other mailing features. Once you're in the Mailings tab, find the Envelopes option and select it. Word will open the Envelopes and Labels window, which is the main place where you can type in your address details before printing. In this window, you'll see a section for the delivery address and another section for the return address. Now, type the delivery address into the delivery address box. This is the address that will appear in the center of the envelope, and it should be the destination where the envelope is being sent. Make sure the name, street address, city, state, and zip code are entered clearly and correctly. A small typo here can cause delivery problems, so take a moment to double-check everything. Next, enter the return address. This is usually placed in the top left corner of the envelope, and it tells the recipient where the envelope came from. If you're sending personal mail, this might be your home address. If you're printing for a business, this could be the company's mailing address. Again, make sure everything is accurate and formatted neatly. After both addresses are filled in, review the preview if Word shows one, just to make sure the layout looks right. If you need to make any changes, this is the best time to do it before printing. You can also check your printer setup and make sure you have the correct envelope size loaded in your printer tray, because envelope printing works best when the paper size matches the actual envelope. When you're ready, click Print. Microsoft Word will send the envelope to your printer using the addresses you entered. If your printer asks for confirmation, follow the prompts on screen. Depending on your printer model, you may need to place the envelope in a specific tray or orientation, so if the first print doesn't come out perfectly, check your printer manual and try again with the correct feed direction. And that's it. You've now learned how to print to envelopes in Microsoft Word in just a few simple steps. Once you get used to it, it becomes a very fast way to create professional mail pieces without typing addresses by hand. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Microsoft Word how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.